Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the top 5 online side hustles that can help you make money in 2023. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash or even start a full-fledged online business, these side hustles have the potential to bring in significant income. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new strategy and earning content. Also, make sure to watch all the way to the end because it shows an incredible money-making opportunity that I've personally witnessed. These websites are accessible worldwide. You can utilize it to earn money repeatedly, no matter which country you reside in. Now, just before I explain how you can do this, kindly leave a comment below stating, "I am from insert your country." This will help me identify your location accurately so that in the future, I can ensure that every video I release is tailored specifically for you. So share your country's name in the comments section below. Stay tuned and watch the entire video, as I will also provide some bonus tips to help you maximize your earnings. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. The first side hustle on our list is e-commerce. With the rise of online shopping, starting your own online store has never been easier. Platforms like Shopify or Amazon make it simple to set up your shop and sell products to a global audience. You can either create and sell your own unique products or leverage dropshipping to sell third-party items. The key to success here is finding a profitable niche and delivering exceptional customer service. Second, if you have a marketable skill, freelancing can be a great way to earn money online. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients seeking their expertise. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, marketer, or virtual assistant, you can offer your services and get paid for your work. The key is to build a strong portfolio, provide quality service, and deliver on time. Third, content creation has become a popular side hustle, and it's an excellent choice if you enjoy sharing your knowledge and creativity. Starting a YouTube channel, podcast, or blog allows you to express yourself while potentially earning money through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Focus on creating engaging and valuable content that resonates with your target audience. Fourth, if you have expertise in a particular subject, online tutoring can be a rewarding side hustle. Many platforms provide a space for tutors to connect with students globally. Whether you excel in languages, academic subjects, music, or specialized skills, you can share your knowledge and help others while earning money. Create a compelling profile, market your services effectively, and provide excellent teaching experiences to attract students. Lastly, in today's digital world, businesses need assistance managing their social media presence. If you have a knack for social media marketing, this side hustle might be perfect for you. You can offer your services to create and schedule posts, engage with the audience, and help businesses grow their online following. Showcase your expertise, stay updated with the latest trends, and demonstrate your ability to drive engagement and results. And there you have it, our top 5 online side hustles to make money in 2023. Whether you choose e-commerce, freelancing, content creation, online tutoring, or social media management, remember that success comes with dedication, hard work, and a passion for what you do. So find your niche, leverage your skills, and start your online side hustle today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.